Hello, everybody. Today I would like to introduce you a very cute monitor to you. This is a 7 inches monitor. I think it is the smallest size in our factory. It is embedded. It can embed it directly into the cabinet, and the surface is too flat. It is designed for putting to the cabinet. And this is the back side, you can see it. And also this is the port, HDMI port. And this one is for power. This monitor is very simple for some applications. A lot of clients, they can find this small one for their special projects. And we can add the touch function into the machine. So you can see it is very small. I can handle it. I can take it with only one hand. It's very cute, very small. And if you have requirements for very small products like 7 inches, you can consider this choice. Thank you.